Today we're in PA Furnace up here in State College, and we're removing 2 maple trees that were hazardous to the homeowner. The one was hanging over, leaning over the house pretty hard. The one was completely dead. We used a tree mech, we topped it out, and then the bigger wood we rigged down with the tree mech. The reason we're doing this rigging process is because we're working around a septic line, and we didn't want to drop any big wood on the septic line and damage our septic. So we're rigging out the bigger wood just to keep it from swaying into the house. So it took a little more time, but everything went well.